Hi guys, Jamie here from JB Motion. Now I've decided to enter the new CG challenge that's been put out there by Clinton Jones. It's called the Dynamics Machine Challenge or something along those lines. Now this is the first one that I have entered. He has done a couple of them before now, and this is my first entry. It's nothing spectacular, but I said I'd share it with you guys just so you could have a look. Maybe there'll be a couple of elements in it that you'd like for me to break down into a tutorial, and I'd be happy to do so. Just let me know in the comments below, and also let me know if there's any improvements you think I could make to my render to improve my chances of making the top 100, which are probably quite low, but anyway, I'd love to hear from you guys and what you think of my submission. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.